Snanny versus McKillans. I bought both. This one was 4 times as expensive as this one. I wanted to know the quality difference. Price is worth the money. Been on the job for 6 days. This one has failed. This one has not. This one was the cheaper one. I'm gonna run the same tip, show you.
Took the body off to try and get a better grip on this nut here, but it is tightened on there like crazy, and as you can see, this is leaking a lot, and it's not leaking from the threads here or anywhere else, just leaking out the tip. And 2.0 will probably surge here any second now due to losing pressure from the water and air leaking. I've had this thing, there it goes. Had this thing not even 2 months and just started doing this the other day. And yeah, I just can't get this nut off. So that sucks.
Let me just start this off by saying, I'm a mobile detailer and I use this gun every single day. Whether I have one in my truck or at my shop with me, I keep one of these on hand. They're so convenient and so easy to use. And it comes with the same standard pressure washer quick disconnect you can find on any other gun, so you can quickly change from foam cannon to a different degree tip, so you could have any adjustability and really get what you're looking for out of your pressure washer. And like I said, you can use this one for all sorts of jobs. So I have one in my shop with the attachment screwed onto it, so I can not only foam cannon a car, but as well as get into those fender liners in small, tight to reach areas.
Look at this gun. This gun being used. Look at all those scratches on it. Look at this dirty and filthy in there. You looking at that thing? Look at that. This thing being used. Look at that. Man, these people crazy.
Yes. Could that be good?
That's good, man. Brand new, leaking, keeps leaking. Boom. Did you hear it charge up? I won't hang up for another minute, but there it is, still leaking.
I haven't even had the gun for a week. It's already leaking water. Look at this. Up here. It's leaking water. Crazy. Not even a week.